All right, welcome to your other tutorial on Google Forms. We created a quiz on Google Forms, and now this tutorial is going to teach you how to grade your quizzes and how to upload everything. So this is a different quiz template that I'm using this time around. It's just something really quick and basic just to go over everything. We did have the field where it says what is your name, red asterisk showing that it's a required question. What hour do you have this class? These are two questions that you should have as the first two questions of your form. Then every quiz question is numbered thereafter. Your quiz has to be a 10-pointer. Now that doesn't necessarily mean that it is going to be 10 questions, and I'll show you why. What I want you guys to do right now is I want you to make the answer key, and how you're going to do that is by clicking on each individual question that you created. So what is 2 plus 3? If you go into this blue answer key, I'm going to write down what the answer is, which is 5. And then I'm going to click the box that says mark all other answers incorrect. And then here I can allot the point. So one question, 1 point. Call that good, and I'm going to scroll down to the next question. So my next question is, what document does the following lines come from? Here's the line. Then I made this a multiple choice question. I had all of these options, and then again I'm going to go ahead and click answer key. It's only one right answer, again a 1-pointer. Click the correct answer, Declaration of Independence, which isn't even spelled correctly. And then I am going to go into the next one and again do the same thing. Go to the answer key, and this is where I did a 4-pointer instead of a 1-pointer because there are 4 possible answers, and I want students to get all of them correctly. So you have the option of doing that. Another short answer or write-in question. I'm going to say, what year did this happen? It's a 1-pointer. I do the correct answer. Click mark all other answers incorrect. And then this question, same thing, and so forth. So once you're done with everything, I do want you guys to go into the settings. In the settings, right now the default, if you're signed into your school account, is going to look like this. What I'm going to actually have you guys do is unclick. So in the settings, nothing should be clicked. You're going to go ahead and click save. Once you have that, you're going to go ahead and click the send button. You're going to go to the link. We're going to shorten the link. We're going to copy this link. And then what we're going to do is we are going to upload that link to our class spreadsheet under where you're supposed to put your quizzes. So let me get that up for us here. So if so of course I can't find it. So if I go into my Psych Final spreadsheet, I'm going to go into my grade sheet, or the quiz link, which is right here. And I'm going to put that in. Okay, and we've already done that with our last one. So once we do that, then anybody can go in and take the quiz. So I opened up another window. So if I go into the quiz, this is what it should look like. Let me minimize this window so you can all see it. It's going to ask me, what is your name? So I'm going to write my name. Then what hour? Then we'll just pick a random hour. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. And so I'm just going to click on a bunch of random ones and click submit. Once the person takes your quiz, they can actually view the score right up here. Now, as the person who is creating the creator of the quiz and having to grade it, where does this come up? So, if we go back onto our administrator's page, you see right here where we have questions, but we have responses. I have 3 responses, which means I have 3 people who have taken this quiz. So I can click on responses, and then basically it tells me the breakdown of what was missed, what was correct, who took it, and the breakdown again of all of the responses. So then what I can do is I can look at it based on question by question. I can look at it based on individuals and what they did. But the easiest way to do it is to click this green button to view everything in one clean spreadsheet. And this is what it's going to look like. So I have the person's name, their hour, and then their score. So really, this is all that I'm interested in, these 3 columns right here for when you guys turn in your quiz grades. So because you guys have named your quizzes with your last name and then the disorder, this makes it really easy. What you guys are going to do after everybody finishes their quiz, you are going to share. You're going to go to the advanced setting, and then you are going to change this to anyone with the link can view so that nobody can make any alterations to the score. So you're going to save that. We're going to copy this link, go to our Psych Final spreadsheet, and where it says grade sheet link, this is where all of your grades are going to go in. So I'm going to put in the link down here, and then I'm going to say Kim's scores. And I'm going to say OK. So that when we go in to put in grades, I can just click on this to see what everybody got and import their scores from that. I'm just going to total everybody's up and then put it in. Now keep in mind that even if you are not here on the day of a presentation due to AP exams or whatever, you are still responsible for taking all the quizzes and for watching all the presentations. So because everybody will be responsible for uploading their own link here, you can access the link, you can access the quiz, and you'll just have to do it based by the deadlines that were given. So I think that goes through everything that you need to do in terms of how to create an answer key, how to get a spreadsheet for your scores, and then even how to upload all of these things. So you guys should know how to do the paper, link the paper, link your presentation, which is your emails, voiceover, you have your quizzes, and then the last thing that you should put on is your grade sheet link. So I think that's everything that you need. You guys should be more than good to finish everything up. If you have any questions, feel free to email or write a question on Google Classroom and we'll take it from there. All right, good luck, keep up the hard work, and you are almost done.